Classic gardening channel stance. Get down on the knee. Alright guys, here we are in the garden. It's a red borer kale here, which it looks already ready to harvest. As you know, I posted that video, it was April 11th. Now it's what, April 20th? 9 days later, it's already turning purple. Anyways, this is just kind of a reaction video, I guess, to what seeds we have from last year. Because most of them can still germinate and are good up to at least a year. That they're still viable past the expiration best buy date. Some of these don't have the. But anyways, we bought this last year on the first year of gardening here in our exciting house since we got married and stuff. But this is a live reaction. I totally forgot what we have. I mean, I have some ideas, like we had herbs and stuff. But all right, first one we have is Burpee Organics Roma tomatoes. Now, I'm not personally a tomato fan, but Lindsay here loves tomatoes, so this will be something we might have to. And it's organic. We like to buy organic.
Roma is good for sauces. Ketchup,
salsa. Okay, it's probably more of an Italian one. I should know.
More Italian, yes.
This one, I believe, this was actually for Lindsay as well because she likes purple, and it's organic. It's dark opal purple basil. Purple basil, isn't that pretty cool? Sell by December 2023. We have leeks, the American flag. Okay, leeks, the non-GMO vegetable. This will be interesting. Leeks are leeks. We won't even get all of these things. We probably have room. Here's more heirloom, evergreen, and bunching onion. These things got me excited just because I think they go quick, if I remember correctly. They grow quick. They're organic. Yeah. Lemon basil. That tickled my fancy a little bit. Seed Savers. These are expensive. $4 Lindsay. Seed Savers Exchange. These are like super fancy ones. It's USDA organic, and it is made in the shade. This green has it made in the shade. Arugula. So this we can grow. This will be perfect to grow this summer. The most expensive seed we have, I think, right there. We have salad bowl lettuce. Remember, we want to do a lot of lettuce. 50 days to whatever. 68 days to harvest. Paris Island Company. Or Coast. What am I saying? Mustard, because my wife likes mustard here. Broccoli Sun King Hybrid. Okay. Kale Premier from Burpee again. And tomato Cloudy Day Hybrid. Hybrid, that doesn't sound organic when it says hybrid. Or it makes it sound like it's unhealthy. Does that say 2022 when we bought it last year? Oh, this was from that 1 year before because your birthday. Remember, I bought you a couple seeds. So some of them actually. Right? Yeah. Spinach Bloomsdale Longstanding, Fairy Morris, $2.79. Organic spinach. This was very expensive too. Easy to grow, safe for bees. And spinach butterfly.
That's what this is too.
Oh, cilantro. Coriander, cilantro.
Yes.
And if you're wondering, guys, the rest of the world right now is already starting with their plants and whatever. We can be starting indoors, but in Minnesota, the soda's in zone 4 or 5B. It's probably 70, 89 degrees down in Florida, Arizona, whatever. It's sunny, they're growing things, they're perfect. And I have tropical plants like the acacia and the kumquats here, and it literally is frosting still, and it's almost May. Ridiculous how Minnesota weather is. Thanks for watching. Ciao.